If you've ever struggled with reliable business technology while trying to run your manufacturing business, this video is for you. Running a manufacturing operation means balancing speed, precision, and uptime. When your technology slows down, everything downstream feels the pain. From outdated printers on the production floor, to disconnected workflows, to growing cybersecurity risks, manufacturing teams are expected to do more, faster, with fewer interruptions. That's where Novatech can help. With wide format printing, we help manufacturers produce clear, accurate drawings, schematics, and signage. Our equipment from trusted manufacturers offers reliable output that supports your engineers, floor teams, and project timelines. Through workflow automation, we eliminate manual processes that slow your operation down, like paper-based approvals, document routing, and version control. The result is faster decisions, fewer errors, and better visibility across departments. Unfortunately, manufacturing environments are increasingly targeted by cyber threats. Our comprehensive security approach protects both your IT systems and your print infrastructure, helping safeguard intellectual property, production data, and operational continuity. And with managed print services, we take full ownership of your print environment, reducing costs, improving uptime, and giving your team one less thing to worry about. Novatech partners with manufacturers to create smarter, more secure, and more efficient operations. Click below to learn more about how we can bring your manufacturing business up to speed.